Summer 2021 Resort World. Still construction going on. It's gonna look amazing. My name is Oscar and I want to show you guys around Las Vegas a little bit, just on my trips.
So here I am walking outside the Resort World theme casino and hotel. And it's surprising because it's not that far from Circus, which I like going to just because it's really budget friendly. It can be anyways, and affordable. But there is a McDonald's right next to Circus outside, which they remodeled, I believe last year, maybe 2 years ago. But this is gonna be really exciting, guys. June 24th is the date for the opening of Resort World, and they already have like 4 or 5 stars on Google and TripAdvisor and all these rankings and whatnot. But
man, if you believe, here in a couple months, I know it's just barely springtime. It's March 23rd? Oh, it's 25th. March 25th, 2021. Imagine here in a couple months, it's gonna be the entryway, one of the entryways to Resort World. See, the machines are going. They're doing their job. The man working the dirt road. Plants are planted in. It's gonna look amazing. And how far? Trump Tower, Las Vegas, Nevada. Man. They pre-drilled the pillars for pedestrian security, so the sidewalks are good, curbs are in. Landscaping and works. Resort World, coming soon. Resort World. They're a responsible adult. Another one. Shame on you people. Litter people with you guys. Off to the right of Resort World, there's a McDonald's there. I'm sure